So you want to get free domain along with Hostinger, then you are at the right place, because in this video I'm going to tell you how you can get a free domain plus Hostinger coupon code through which you can get additional discount on already running discount deals. So this is the right time of the year because right now the Black Friday deals are running right now. Plus I will tell you step by step on how you can get a free domain for first year through Hostinger. So what you have to do is just simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive discounting, you will be landed on a page like this where you can see Black Friday deals running right now with discounts as much as up to 85% off. And guys, this is the right time of the year to grab your hosting from Hostinger, and you're getting as much as up to 85% off over here, and you're getting 30 days money back guarantee over here. And before I select the claim deal, I want you to see the reviews on Trustpilot. Trustpilot is an industry independent review website, and if you look around at the reviews, see 5 star, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star, 4 star, 5 star. Almost everyone praises Hostinger for their finance service, and this was one of the reason I opted for Hostinger. So now you're over here. So you can select the claim deal over here to get the amazing discount at Hostinger. So you can see 85% off on these two plans. This plan is 73%. And if you use my coupon code and click on the link in the description, you are going to get as much as up to 95% off. And I will tell you on how you can get a free domain along as well. So you can select any plan. So my recommendation is to do a thorough research and simply select the choose plan with any plan to get your free domain for the first year plus additional discounts at Hostinger. So now once you select this, you may see over here the Black Friday deals are running right now. So it's a 48 months deal. So my recommendation is to opt for the 48 months to save the maximum amount of money. And after this, you can see great deals. You get a free domain for first year plus 3 extra months of free hosting with this order. So you can see your order summary over here. Now select the coupon code and write this amazing coupon code, which you can find in the description of this video along with a special discount link. Simply select the apply over here, and you're gonna see that your price is going to get a further discount. So let's wait a second for it. So you can see the coupon code is applied, and you can see you're getting additional 10% off as well on. And if you look around 48 months plan at the from 901 to 118, daily backup free of cost, 3 extra month, free domain for the first year, free setup, domain privacy protection. Now there is another coupon code as well, so you can use either of the coupon code to get this amazing deal. Select the coupon code and write this one as well. Sorry for this one, HI10. So you can use either of them to get this amazing deal. So both of the coupon codes are mentioned in the description of this video. Now selecting the free domain, you can select the free domain right now or later on as well. So let's say I'm going to select the free domain from over here. Again, this is valid for free year. I'm just showing you as an example. Save free for the first year, you can select any, and after I applied, just change your billing period to first year only, so you do not have to pay anything additional for your domain, and you're getting free for the first domain. Here 30 days money back guarantee is also included, and you can see your order summary over here as well. So you can see your business web hosting, your domain for free, domain registration for free, icon free, domain privacy protection. Now after this, move on to the continue, and you may be asked to log into your account before you proceed further. And since I'm already logged in, so or you need to create a new account at Hostinger or synchronize with your Google account. After this, you can see your order summary over here. You can see your discount is already loaded over here. Now write your billing details over here, and once you write your billing details, move on to the continue and to the last part, and that is doing payment methods. And now the good thing regarding Hostinger, or what I like regarding Hostinger, is that they offer you variety of payment methods. You can pay via CoinGate, Apple Pay, Alipay, Google Pay, PayPal, credit card. So you have variety of payment methods to choose. So let's say go in the credit card, write your credit card details, and simply select the submit payment. And within few minutes, you're going to get an email from Hostinger with all of your hosting accounts details. Just for a revision, click on the link in the description and use right of the coupon code to grab amazing discount at Hostinger and also get your free domain for the first year at Hostinger. So good luck with your hosting from Hostinger, specifically with this free domain exclusive Black Friday deals. So good luck and enjoy.